Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is for both plus 1 and plus 2 classes. In this video we will discuss some more basic concepts of relation and function and solve some more MCQs for first term exam. I already upload first part of relation and function and link of that video is given in description. So let's begin today's video. First question, if fx is equal to 2x minus 5, then f0 is. Replace x by 0. f0 is equal to 2 multiplied by 0 minus 5. That is 0 minus 5. That is further equal to minus 5. So answer is C option. Next question. If fx is equal to 2x minus 5, in this question, replace x by 1. 2 multiplied by 1 minus 5, that is minus 3. So answer is B option. Next question. Range of function is equal to x. X is a real number. So answer is D option because R represents set of real numbers. N is for set of natural numbers, Z is for set of integers, W is for set of whole numbers, and D is for set of real numbers. So answer is D option. Next question. If x plus 1 y minus 2 is equal to 3 1, then find values of x and y. Equate corresponding coefficients. X coordinate x plus 1 is equal to 3 and y coordinate, that is y minus 2, is equal to 1. Now y is equal to 1 plus 2, that is 3, and x is equal to 3 minus 1, that is 2. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. So answer is C option. Next question is also similar of first. So you try this question by yourself for practice. Next question. If number of elements of A is equal to 3 and number of elements of B is equal to 4, then number of elements of A cross B is equal to. Now number of elements of A is 3. Again number of elements of A, that is 3, and number of elements of B is 4. So multiply this, we get the required answer. 9 multiplied by 4, that is 36. Next question. Find the domain and range of the following function. Fx is equal to under root of 16 minus x square. Now for finding domain, 16 minus x square is greater than equal to 0. That is 16 is greater than equal to x square and x square is less than equal to 16. Now solve this. We get modulus of x is less than equal to 4 and minus 4 is less than equal to x less than equal to 4. So domain of f is minus 4 to 4 closed interval. Now for range, put fx is equal to y. Fx is equal to y. So this equation becomes y is equal to under root of 16 minus x square. Then solve this by squaring on both sides. Y square is equal to 16 minus x square implies x square is equal to 16 minus y square. Now x square is greater than equal to 0. That is, if left hand side is greater than equal to 0, then right hand side is also greater than equal to 0. So 16 minus y square is greater than equal to 0. That is 16 is greater than equal to y square. That is y square is less than equal to 16. So y lies between -4 and 4, but y is greater than equal to 0. So answer is range of function is equal to 0 to 4, closed interval. Find the domain and range of the real function f defined by. Now again for domain, under root of x minus 1 is greater than equal to 0, that is x minus 1 is greater than equal to 0, that is x is greater than equal to 1. So domain of function is equal to 1 to infinity. X is greater than equal to 1, so interval is closed interval 1 to infinity. Next, for range, put fx is equal to y. Fx is equal to y, so this becomes y is equal to under root x minus 1 for x greater than equal to 1 and y greater than equal to 0. Range of f is equal to 0 to infinity, because y is greater than equal to 0, so range is equal to 0 to infinity. Next, find the domain of the function. Fx is equal to x square plus 3x plus 5 divided by x square minus 5x plus 4. Now to find domain, denominator is not equal to 0. X square minus 5x plus 4 is not equal to 0. Now factorize this. X minus 1, x minus 4 is not equal to 0. That is x is not equal to minus 1 and x is not equal to 4. That is x is not equal to 1 and 4. So domain of function is equal to real numbers minus 1 and 4. Next, very important questions from previous board papers. If a star b is equal to a raised to the power b minus 1 be a binary operation, then 2 star 3 is equal to, now a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 3. Now put value of a and b in this expression. 2 raised to the power 3 minus 1, that is 2 raised to the power 2, that is 4. So answer is A option. Next, domain of function fx is equal to sine inverse x is equal to minus 1 to 1. Next, domain of cos inverse x is equal to minus 1 to 1, close interval. Next, range of the function fx is equal to tan inverse x is equal to D option, open interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Next, if a binary operation is defined by a star b is equal to a raised to the power b, then 3 star 2 is equal to, now replace a by 3 and b by 2, 3 raised to the power 2, that is 9. So C is right answer. Now in next question, a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 5. 3 square plus 5 square, 9 plus 25, that is 34. A option. Next question, important. If fx is equal to 3x minus 1, x is greater than equal to 1, minus x if x is less than 1, then f of minus 2. F of minus 2. Now minus 2 is less than 1. So choose this function minus x. Now f of minus 2 minus of minus 2, which is equal to 2. So answer is A option. If P is equal to ABC and Q is equal to R, form the sets P by Q and Q by P, or these two products equal. Now P cross Q is equal to AR, BR and CR, and Q cross P is equal to RA, RB and RC. So these are not equal. Next, if G is equal to 7, 8 and H is equal to 5, 4, 2, find G cross H and H cross G. G cross H, G is equal to 7, 8 and H is equal to 5, 4, 2. Take first element 7, 5, 7, 4, 7, 2. Next 8, 5, 8, 4 and 8, 2. Similarly solve for H cross G. Next, let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to x, y, z. Let R be a relation from A into B defined by R is equal to 1x, 1z, 3x, 4y. Find the domain and range. Now A is equal to this and B is equal to this. Now first coordinates equal to domain. So domain is equal to 1, 3 and 4, and second coordinates is equal to range of the function. So range is equal to second coordinates, that is x, y and z. Next, the range of the relation R. This is true, false. Now range of the relation R minus 1, 1, 1, 2, minus 2, 4, 2, 4. Range is equal to minus 1, 1, minus 2, 2. This is false statement because this is domain. First elements is called domain. So this is false question. Next, Phillips. A relation from set X to set Y is a subset of X cross Y. Next question. F is equal to 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 4, 6 is, and the answer is 1, 1 function, because image of every element is distinct. Image of 1 is 3, image of 2 is 4, image of 3 is 5, image of 4 is 6. Image of every element is distinct, so it is 1, 1 function. Next, a relation R on a set S is called dash relation if it is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. So the answer is equivalence relation. Because for equivalence relation, the relation is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Next, Philip. If AB, BC belongs to R, implies AC belongs to R, then R is symmetric relation. Next, true false. The set of first coordinates of relation is called its domain. Yes, it is true. Every function is a relation, but every relation is not a function. This is very important. Every function is a relation, but every relation is not a function. It is also true statement. If this video is helpful for you, then like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.